We can also find the area of a square or a rectangle by using a formula. So when the length of the rectangle or square is L, and the breadth of the rectangle or square is B, then the area A of the square or rectangle is equal to the length multiplied by the breadth. In other words, A equals L multiplied by B for short. You must learn that formula. So that allows you to find the area of any rectangle or any square. So let's apply this formula to example 1. So if we look at example 1, part A, clearly we've got a rectangle. The length is the horizontal measurement, so it's 4 centimeters, and the breadth we're taking as the vertical measurement, it's 3 centimeters. So in order to get the area of this rectangle, we're going to write down the formula first. So we're going to write down A equals L multiplied by B. So we now identify the length, it's 4 centimeters. So in the next line down, we copy down our equal sign. We replace L with 4. Copy down our multiply sign, and then we identify the breadth as 3, and we replace B with 3. So now do our multiplying. We're going to get 12. Now we need to make sure we've got the correct units. Because the length and breadth were both in centimeters, that means the area will have units centimeters squared. Okay, make sure all your equal signs line up, one underneath the other. And then we write down our answer. So answer 12 centimeters squared. What you'll notice is we did exactly the same example as before, except in the previous occasion we broke up the rectangle into squares here of side 1 centimeter, and we would have got the same answer. But this method is much quicker because it saves you time. You don't need to break up the rectangle into little squares. Okay, part B. We have a square here. We want to find its area. So again, we're going to write down the formula for the area of a square. So A equals L multiplied by B. Next line, we copy down our equals. The length is the horizontal measurement, which is 5. So we're going to replace L with 5. Copy down our multiply. The breadth is the vertical measurement, which is also 5, so we're going to replace B with 5. We then do our multiplying, and that's going to give us 25. Now, because the length and breadth were both in centimeters, that means the units of our area here will be centimeters squared. And again, we write down our answer underneath. And again, we've done this example already, this part B. We did it before by counting squares, and you'll note that we get the same answer as we got before when we counted squares. But again, this method is much quicker.